40 light-years from Earth, 7 worlds orbit a single dying ember. For a moment, we thought we'd found ourselves out there. We hadn't. In 2017, astronomers announced something that barely seemed real. A small, cool red dwarf star called TRAPPIST-1e, with 7 Earth-sized planets crowded around it. 3 of them sat in the habitable zone. 3 chances at liquid water. 3 chances at life. It was the closest thing to a jackpot the search for life had ever delivered. But we couldn't see them clearly, not yet. We needed something more powerful, something built to read the air on alien worlds. That something arrived, the James Webb Space Telescope. And one by one, Webb turned its golden eye toward TRAPPIST-1e. One by one, the lights went out. TRAPPIST-1e, the innermost world. Webb measured its dayside heat directly. The verdict: bare rock, no atmosphere, no air, no mercy. TRAPPIST-1c, a little farther out, a little more hope. Webb watched it glow at 380 Kelvin. Too hot, too exposed. The thick, Venus-like air we'd imagined, stripped away, gone. TRAPPIST-1e mattered most. It sat at the inner edge of the habitable zone. It was supposed to be a contender. But in 2025, the verdict came back. No Earth-like atmosphere. The lead researcher said it plainly. TRAPPIST-1e can be removed from the list of potential Earth twins. 3 planets, 3 death certificates. And then there was TRAPPIST-1e, the 4th planet, the golden one. Sitting right in the middle of the habitable zone. Not too close, not too far. If anything in this system was going to be alive, it would be here. In late 2025, after watching Planet E transit its star 4 times, Webb's first papers landed. The result? Maybe. Maybe a nitrogen atmosphere laced with methane. Something like Titan, but warmer. Something like early Earth, frozen at the moment before life. Or maybe nothing at all. Maybe a planet shrouded in cloud. Maybe another bare rock. The data refuses to choose. Because here's the cruel twist. TRAPPIST-1e is not a calm star. It is a red dwarf. Small, violent, and prone to enormous flares. Every time Webb tries to read one of these planets, the star itself screams over the signal. Spots, flares, magnetic tantrums burning through the spectrum. We are trying to read a whisper through a scream. One scientist on the team has already warned that the hint of an atmosphere on TRAPPIST-1e might just be noise from the star. Not air, not chemistry, just static. He didn't say there was no atmosphere. He said we cannot yet tell the difference. But Webb isn't finished. 4 transits will become nearly 20. 20 observations stacked on top of each other until the noise averages out and the truth, whatever it is, finally emerges. Either we will find air around TRAPPIST-1e, or we will close the book on this system entirely. For nearly a decade, TRAPPIST-1e was the dream. 7 Earths, a miniature solar system, waiting for us to look closer. We looked, and so far, the dream is a graveyard. Worlds the size of ours, in the right place, around the wrong kind of star. Cooked, stripped, silent. 1 candle still burns. Planet E, the last possibility. And maybe that is the deeper lesson hiding inside the data. Habitable zones lie. Earth-sized means almost nothing. A planet in the right orbit, around the wrong star, may still be just a rock with good real estate. We thought finding other Earths would be the hard part. It turns out, finding the right kind of sun may be harder. 40 light-years away, a small red star keeps flaring, and we keep watching, waiting to see if one world still has air, if one world still has oceans, if one world is still alive. Because if TRAPPIST-1e is breathing, the universe may be far more alive than we thought. But if it is dead, then maybe Earth-like was never enough. Maybe Earth is not just rare. Maybe Earth is a miracle. So what do you think? Is TRAPPIST one of the last hope of this system, or the final world to fall.